Welcome back. As we already learned that the output of economic system is goods and services. There are many goods and services available in market today. And we will discuss about the basic difference of goods and services. Furthermore, we will also learn about the trending concept of product-service system. Let's take a look in detail. The main characteristic of goods, or frequently referred as products, is first, tangible. You can touch it, smell it, see it, and feel it. Definition or specification of product is consistent a long time between one product and the others. It is easy to see that there is no difference between product even though they are produced in different batch. Production of goods is usually done prior consumption. Manufacturer produce good then deliver it to the customer through supply chain. The next characteristic of goods is can be stored in the manufacturer, distributor, or retailer warehouse for later consumption. Since the production is decoupled with the consumption, customer interaction is low during production, since the customer present in the consumption stage. There are many examples of goods such as smart TV, smartphone, refrigerator, and favorite food of many people, instant noodle, and also many others. The first characteristic of service is opposite with goods, which is intangible. We can only feel the impact of the service. The second characteristic of service is service consumption and production is held at the same time, such as service of banking system is held during facing customer directly. Related with this characteristic, service is often unique since it has to face different customer with different treatment, and also involve intense interaction with customer during service operation. The scope and specification of service sometimes change, depends on many factors. For example, facing different customer at different time, we couldn't expect having the same completion time for the same service. The last characteristic is service need deeper knowledge to face and adapt the changing condition during service delivery. The example of service is health consultation, class lecturing like now on in higher education, banking service, and service in amusement park, for example. Good and service create continuum that link between pure goods and pure service. In pure goods, there are food product and book publishing, while pure service is like teaching and financial consultation. In between of those two categories, there are core good and core service category, where in core good there are additional service in the produced goods, and in core service there are additional goods in service delivery. The example of core good is automobiles and appliance, while core service is hotel and airlines. Nowadays, more and more companies try to blend product. This approach is called product service system, or PSS. PSS are simply when a company offers a mix of both product and services in comparison to traditional focus on product or services standalone. PSS is a new business model that provides cohesive delivery of product and services. The initial move to PSS was largely motivated by the needs on the part of traditional manufacturing firms to cope with changing market force and the recognition that service in combination with product could provide higher profit than product alone. The process of adding service to the pure product is called servitization. Oppositely, adding product to pure service is called productization. In the PSS continuum, there is a tendency to use oriented, through which value is provided by a combination of product and services, in which the satisfaction of the customer needs is achieved either by selling the function of the product rather than the product itself. There are several examples of productization, such as HelloDoc application that provide health consultation through mobile apps. Traveloka that might facilitate booking hotel, flight, and other transportation mode through mobile apps. Lastly, DesignPickle that provide fast response artistic design through website. For the servitization, Rolls-Royce provides service package to the customer based on the amount of time an engine is in flight. The same concept is also adopted by Xerox with pay-per-use copy machine and by Philips with pay-per-looks concept. I hope it is clear for you about the difference of goods and service as well as product service system. In the next video, we will learn about the issue of productivity. So see you in the next video.